Hi everyone. So this is going to be my Appreciative Frameworks introduction video, and I'm going to start off by talking about who I am. So my name is Taylor Owens, and I currently reside in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm actually coming up on my 1-year anniversary of moving to Wilmington. It'll be July 1st, and it's kind of a bittersweet moment because it was my first time moving away from my parents and not just leaving for college. But it's definitely exciting that it's almost been a year. Feels like so much longer than that, so that's pretty cool. This summer I'll be working in OSLE, which is the Office of Student Leadership and Engagement at UNCW. I'll be a summer intern for them this summer, and then during summer session 2, I'll be working in the Educational Leadership Department as a summer GA, scanning books and just doing whatever professors need me to do. So I'm really excited to be on campus a lot this summer, being involved, hopefully making more connections, and just being a part of higher education. I'm really excited to see what this summer has in store for me at both my internship and in the Educational Leadership Department. Some of my hobbies include anything Hulu or Netflix related. I really just like to de-stress by just watching Hulu pretty much all the time. And then another huge hobby I have is taking care of my little puppy dog. She's in both of these pictures here, and her name is Izzy. She turns a year old in June, and I'm going to get her a little birthday hat and make her a puppy cake because I'm just that extra when it comes to puppies. So, figured I'd show her here because she takes up a lot of my time. She definitely still acts like a puppy, so that's been fun to handle. And my contributions that I believe I will bring to the class this summer, the first one being that I believe I always try to keep an open mind. Whether that's people's identities, different topics we discuss, pretty much anything, I try to keep an open mind when it comes to learning about different perspectives and seeing it from another person's view. Because I'm never going to learn or experience anything new if I just keep my own thoughts and opinions concrete. I'm never going to learn if I don't open my mind to different possibilities, different perspectives, and a whole different way of viewing something. Another contribution I believe I have is creative thinking. And I think this kind of goes hand in hand with open-mindedness, just because when you have an open mind, for me at least, I tend to try to think of different ways of viewing things. With certain topics, I try to see the bigger picture and look at different ways that I can either work with this topic or discuss it, but I really try to think creatively, think how it affects other people and not just myself, think how other people will see the problem or see the issue, and then try to work our way around it. So I think those two kind of go hand in hand. And then lastly, I think I'm a very optimistic person, so hopefully I can bring to the class that optimism and go lucky attitude. I try to always help people out if they need anything, if they're struggling. So if you need help with anything, I'm your girl. I'll always say yes. I try to motivate others and just see the positive and help other people along the way because plenty of people have done that for me, so why not repay the favor? And I also think that I can bring my own experiences to the class, and hopefully people can learn from my experiences and my stories that I may tell. And that's one thing I really look forward to in this class is learning from everyone else. It's probably one of the best ways I learn is hearing other people's stories, hearing other people's opinions, and then kind of reflecting on my own to see if I can change my own way of thinking. And then lastly, if I had 3 wishes and a genie appeared out of nowhere, my first wish would be a wish for myself. I would wish that my procrastination would just magically disappear and I would stay on top of my work. I think doing this would erase so much stress and worry. So hopefully I'll do better this time around and continue that mindset throughout the next year as well. My second wish would be for all of my classmates and myself. I'd wish that we all gain valuable information, learn something new, whether it's from another student's experiences and perspectives or through reading assignments, and feed forward that we may receive throughout the course. And lastly, I think my wish would be that this course will help give me a better sense of ideas and actions that I want to actually implement in future use as a professional. And I read in the course description, it mentions how appreciative inquiry offers the opportunity to reframe how we look at our work and focuses on the positive and solutions rather than the problem. And that's something I really believe would be very beneficial for me, because as I said, I am an optimistic. So looking at the positives and solutions rather than the problem is something I really think I could use in the future. Especially using it in a professional setting. That sounds pretty good to me and something I want to try to implement. So I'm really excited to see what this class has in store for all of us, and I can't wait to see what all of you have to say, and just ready to get this semester started, or the summer course started.